In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen on Zoom. If you've ever been in a situation where you needed to present something during a Zoom meeting but weren't quite sure how to showcase your screen, this guide is for you. Sharing your screen can be incredibly beneficial, whether you're conducting business meetings, teaching a class, or simply showing a friend how to use a program. Let's get started by opening your Zoom desktop app. If you don't have it yet, be sure to download and install it from the official Zoom website. Once you're in the app, your first step will be to either start an instant meeting or schedule one for later. This flexibility is especially handy. You can kick off an impromptu discussion or plan for a future session with colleagues or friends. Now, once you're in your Zoom meeting, look towards the bottom of the window, and you'll see a button that says Share Screen. Go ahead and click on that. A new window will pop up, presenting you with several options for what you can share. You're not limited to just one application. You could choose any open window on your computer. This means if you have multiple documents, web browsers, or applications open, you can select the one most relevant to your meeting. Before jumping into sharing, take a moment to modify the layout if you need to. This step ensures that what you're sharing is not only clear to your viewers, but also presented in the best possible way. You can resize or rearrange the applications or windows if needed to make certain what you want to emphasize is front and center. As you prepare to share, consider adjusting the share options. These options will typically allow you to choose whether to share your computer's audio or optimize your screen sharing for video clip usage. If you're going to be sharing a video or something that involves sound, it's crucial to have these settings sorted beforehand so your audience gets the full experience. Once you've made all the necessary adjustments and are sure everything is set up correctly, it's time to click on the Share button. This will broadcast your chosen window or application to everyone in your meeting. And voila, you're now successfully sharing your screen. Remember, you still have control over stopping the share or switching to another window or app anytime during the meeting. With these steps, you can confidently share your screen during Zoom meetings. It's one of those skills that becomes indispensable, especially as digital communication remains a significant part of our daily routines. Thank you for joining us today, and happy screen sharing.